Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enable group policy editor on your Windows 11 Home Edition. So as you can see, if I open run and type gpedit.msc, so it gives an error. It says Windows cannot find gpedit.msc, and make sure you typed the name correctly and try again. So this error comes because gpedit is by default disabled in Windows 11 Home Edition operating systems. So to enable it, just open Google Chrome or any of your favorite browser and type in the address bar this link and open this link. Now I'll also provide this link in the description of the video and to download this file. And if you want, you can also join my Telegram channel, the link of which I also provide in the description of the video, where you can find this file and lots of other stuff. So as you can see that there is a file enable gpedit.bat. Click on download anyway to download this file, and as you can see that the file has been downloaded. Now click on this icon to open it. So here is the file that is located here. Now just right click on this file and click on run as administrator and click yes, and this is something happening. It will install some files, and that will enable group policy editor on your Windows 11 Home Edition PC. So it has done installing the files, and it is saying press any key to continue. So press any key, and now I will test again that whether group policy editor has been enabled or not. So again I will open run. For that, press on the keyboard Win key plus R to open run and type here gpedit.msc and hit enter. So as you can see that now the local group policy editor has been enabled on my Windows 11 Home Edition operating system. So in this way you can do it. You can do the same process for Windows 10 Home Edition also. So thank you. If this video helped you, do like and subscribe my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.